My name is Sheikh Farooq. I am from Sona College of Technology, IT third year student. Our mini project is weather prediction. We are using two major concepts. For example, one is IoT and is another one is ML, the machine learning. First, I gonna show my project demo code. This is our this is our project. We are using IoT devices and IoT modules. Just a minute, I will show this. This is ESP8266, which is working on the Wi-Fi module, and this panel is called as a rain sensor. This is a DHT level, which is used to collect the data of variables, which is temperature and humidity. And then the last one is BMP 180. It is a device which measures the pressure from the room or outdoor. It measures the absolute pressure and also relative pressure. This is our code. It is a main code. In this code, we define a lot of header files for individual IoT devices. For example, DHT level, there is a header file for dht.h, and also Wi-Fi module. BMP 190, there is a header file. In this header file, all the predefined files are fetched in it. And also the important thing is API key. This is the very important thing in this program, because in this key used to throw all the data to the web server. Our web server is API thingspeak.com. This is our web server. The SSID and the passwords are it's mine Wi-Fi username and password. Here our code. After compiling and upload the code, the data are thrown to the ThingSpeak. I will show the ThingSpeak. This is our ThingSpeak Windows. Here the data are come: the temperature, humidity, dew points, absolute pressure, relative pressure, altitude, rain, and also we update this with the location from where the weather is predicted. And also we are using some digital meters in it. It is same that it's a graphical output. This is a digital output which is using all the inputs are gathered in this API key, which is throw from the ESP, and the data are stored in a CSV file and download from the directly from here. When I click here, the CSV file is downloaded. I try to open. Here our data set. It's a date, time is here, the entry ID. The first one is temperature, second one humidity, dew points, relative pressure, absolute pressure, and altitude and rain. These are the data set. And finally, we are going to use the data set. Use the data set and test and train in the ML model. Here we go. Here I am using Anaconda prompt, which is a Jupyter notebook. Just wait a second. This is Jupyter notebook, and here is our training data. So here we go. We are using a major packages, Keras and NumPy. Importing, and the data set is here. We are taking the data set as a text file. There are 4648 rows in it, and train and test in the ML model. The accuracy rate is 0.87, and the trained data is stored in the data.h file, and the output is displayed in the weather predict in here. So final output is here. So there are four labels are presented here. The first one is thunderstorm, second one is rain, third one is sun. Sun means it's a sunshine or a summer, and the final is fog for cloudy or a monsoon weather. There are the four level. Using our data set, and we find next half an hour will be a sunny only, because how we find is a trained data set is compare with the tested data, and finally output is from here. So we are using the two major tools here. One is Keras and NumPy. NumPy is, you also know about, it's a array thing. So finally, this is our project. Here we can see the output, and also I put the link on the description. You may go and check. And also I upload my project in GitHub. You also go and check the link in description. Thanks for watching my video, and please comment the section. Thanks for watching the video. And our team members are Vignesh, Basant, and our team mentor is David sir. Thank you.